Hey folks, Tuesday night, it's raining out, cold, shitty, nobody's around. I got a 47 Ford convertible with no top sitting outside that I'd like to get in. I pulled it up quite high, and now it's got to roll down. I'm not sure how that's going to pan out, so I'm going to let you watch. I've got a couple little, what do you call it? Speed bumps to hopefully it doesn't hit my toolbox, but I don't know. Thing doesn't have any brakes either, so here you go. Shit is my car. Here, boy. Well, just one toolbox drawer. Looks like we can push that back. Damn. All right. The slope in my driveway is a little bigger than I thought it was going to be. There's your Tuesday night entertainment. Later.